Have you been annoyed by the Agkernel library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze Adobe dependency and restore that missing file. Before we begin our Agkernel library troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the Agkernel library, the Adobe Graphics Kernel, AGK. This library is the localized unmanaged core responsible for high-precision vector rendering and coordinate-based math in Adobe products. It manages the localized rasterization of shapes and handles localized paths for the brush and pen tools in Photoshop and Illustrator. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Agkernel is required for Adobe to function properly. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of Adobe will repair missing or broken application files. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Agkernel library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If the library remains missing, you should manually clear the program's cache and then download the latest build from the developer's website. Removing the old application data before running the new setup ensures that your DLL file is correctly placed in the root directory without interference from legacy files. Why are we doing this? Well, many applications will try to use existing local data even after a reinstall, and manually clearing the folders forces the software to establish a fresh connection to its dependencies. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Replacing Agkernel library without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and Agkernel library synchronization. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Agkernel library. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.